Welcome back, students. In the last topic, you learn to find perimeter of given shape. So today's topic is how many square. So we are going to discuss a new topic, how many square. In this topic, you will learn what is area and also finding area of different shapes using square. So two concepts you are going to learn in this topic: what is area and how to find the area of different shapes using squares. In any figure or shape, area is always measured in square. So keep in mind, whenever you have to find the area of any shape or figure, it is always measured in square. Unit used to measure squares are square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer and square feet. If measurement of square is given in centimeters, suppose a square is given in centimeter, then unit of area will be square centimeter. If the measurement is given in centimeter, then unit of area will be square centimeter. If measurement of square is given in meter, then unit of area will be square meter. If unit measurement of square is given in kilometer, then unit of area will be square kilometer. And in the same way, if measurement of square is given in feet, then unit of area will be square feet. So it depending on the measurement, in what unit the measurement is given. If it is centimeter, the unit for area will be square centimeter. If it is meter, unit for square will be the square meter. If it is a kilometer, unit for area will be square kilometer. Like that, it will depend on the length of measurement. So now let's discuss what is area. The measurement of the total surface of figure or shape is called area. Again I am repeating. The measurement of total surface of the figure or shape is called area. Let's discuss practically. For example, here the two examples are given. First we discuss with the first example. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. And in the last topic we discussed about the perimeter. What is perimeter? The total length of boundary of figure or shape is a perimeter. You can see, if you start from here, boundary A, B, C, D and A. These are the boundaries of this rectangle. And whatever the surface inside this boundary, that is a what surface area, that is the area. For example, here I have marked this surface area in different square. This one square is of 1 centimeter. That is, mean length is 1 centimeter and breadth is also 1 centimeter. Here also the one square is of 1 centimeter. So now we are discussing what is the concept of area. So what is area? You can see now this inner surface is divided into different square and it is also shown in the violet color. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are getting here how many square? 6 square. That means 6 centimeter. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square of 4 centimeter. So if we want to find the area, what is the total area? 6 into 4. It is a 24 is equal to 24 centimeter square will be the area of this rectangle A, B, C, D. So whatever the surface present within the boundary, that is the area. So let's discuss this one more figure. PQRS is one more shape and it is a square. Why it is square? Because all sides, you can see here, all sides are equal. And the inner surface, again I have divided the inner surface into different small squares. That is, the one square is of 1 centimeter. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 square, that means 4 centimeter. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4 square, 4 centimeter. So if we add this or multiply 4 into 4, 16 square centimeter is the area of this square PQRS. Practically finding the area of different shape using the square. So first concept we have clear that what is area. Now we are going to discuss the second concept, finding area of different shapes using the square. You can see here the three figures are given, figure A, figure B and figure C. These three figures are given, and in all these figures the square are made, and each square is of 1 centimeter. That means you can see here one square length is 1 centimeter, breadth is also 1 centimeter. Here also length is 1 centimeter, breadth is. So in each square is of 1 centimeter. So let's find the area of figure A first. So in figure A, we are going to now find the area of figure A in square. So actually this figure A is divided into different square. Okay. So one square is of 1 centimeter. So first let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are getting the 6 square. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means one square is equal to 1 centimeter. So 8 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. So if we multiply this or add this, 6 into 8 into 8 centimeter, it will be 48 square centimeter, because these are 48 square total, and why is centimeter? Because each square is of 1 centimeter. So area of this figure A will be 48 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of figure B. So here again we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 centimeter. So one square is of 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 centimeter. So let's multiply 5 into 7 is equal to 35 square centimeter. Why 35 square? Because altogether in this figure is a 35 square of 1 centimeter each. So 35 square centimeter is the area of figure B. Now let's find the area of figure C. So here you can see here in these two figures all square is of full square. Here we are getting full square and half square. So here what we have to do, what you have to keep in mind, first you count the full square. I mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. So full square we are getting full square 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now let's count the half square. So you mark the half square. And while counting the half square, you have to keep in mind, you have to count half and more than half. You have to leave the less than half. So you can see this is a more than half. This is a less than half. So you have to, we don't count here. This we have to count. This one. So you can see I have marked with green color which square half and more than half, and I have left the square which are less than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting half square 6. So total it will full will be the 3. Half square 6. So full will be the 3. So total square will be how many? 25. So area of this will be the 25 square centimeter. You can see here the area of first figure is 48 square centimeter, second figure is 35 square centimeter and 25, because in all figure there is a square. All figures are divided into the square of 1 centimeter each. Now we can compare the area of this figure. So which figure has bigger area? Figure A, because it is a 48 square. And which figure has less area? Figure C, because they are the 25 square. If we have to find the difference between any two, let's take figure B and C. So we have to find the difference between area of figure B and figure C. So what is the area of figure B? It is a 35. And what is the area of figure C? 25. We have differently, we have to minus 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is the difference? 10 square centimeter is the difference between area of figure B and figure C. In same way, you have to find the area of any figure is square. So today we discuss about what is area and also finding area of different shape using figure. So here the homework for you. With your mathematics part 1 textbook, you can open the topic how many square. You can see here how many square, and on this page number 35 is given. Some small exercise is given. In the same way, you have to solve this exercise. One more exercise you have to solve on page number 40, page number 35 and page number 40. These two exercises you have to solve as a homework for this topic. And still, if you have any difficulty, you have any problem while solving this exercise, you please call me or send message. Okay? Thank you very much.